What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. We are back with another hill run video, and today we're going through Gibby's Pass. We obviously in Anthony's 680 horsepower Laurel. Today we're cruising through just on low boost, which is about 620 horsepower, which is still a hell of a lot of power. The last two videos we've done were awesome, and yeah, we have a great time doing these, and I know you guys love watching them. So yeah, we've set a few cameras up again, and yeah, enjoy the video.
Shame, mate.
And refetch it high enough then.
I've done that a few times.
Nah, it's probably creeping back up now, eh?
Oh.
We're almost at the top. I'll pull back down and we're closing down. Yep.
I've got water in there, I can pour it on the radiator.
Yep.
Damn.
Curse this small ass radiator. We're at 90 degrees almost.
Yeah.
It is a pretty hot day. I'm sweating my absolute ass off still wearing this hoodie.
Yeah, this life in my heart.
Well, boys and girls, this video has definitely not gone to plan. Couldn't really do my pass around Gibby's because the car was starting to overheat, so we decided to just call it because we also had to go and pick up your mate. So yeah, we were supposed to go do that at 2:30, so couldn't really cool the car down in time and me be able to do my pass. So we just heading way back to Christchurch, but unfortunately the fuel pump earth has decided to shat the bed. It's come apart, so yeah, we've got no fuel pump. How good?
Not so good.
It actually does look like the closed end one. It's just literally come right apart. It's definitely from over tightening.
Yep.
Yeah. So yeah, I put a call out on the old Instagram story, so hopefully someone can bring us a 12mm, because I've called a couple of mates, and so is Anthony. No one's answering their phones, so until someone brings us a 12mm to be able to at least get that back onto the strut just enough so we can get home. We're stranded up here and it's fucking hot.
This is amazing. I'm loving life right now.
Right, so little update. Me and Anthony are sitting here at the hill dying of heat. He's got track pants on, he's even rolled his legs up, give him a bit more airflow.
Yeah, yep. Good old white legs.
So thankfully Billy answered his phone. So yeah, he's gonna Uber up because his missus has the car, so he's gonna bring us a couple of sockets, and yeah, hopefully we can get this fuel pump earth back on, sorted out, get back. Billy coming to the rescue, catching an Uber and all.
Here I am. Man, the myth, the legend. I got a bunch of other shoes. Cheers, bro. Thanks for the chat.
I love how nothing's on the right.
Oh no, I had it all out. I had to throw it on. Don't judge me, Joel. I'm here to help you, mate. Don't judge me on that. I was halfway through a bloody client meeting.
Oh, true.
But I wanted to come out because it's so nice today. So.
Yeah, it's such a nice day, but
I'm close anyway. That only took like 5-minute drive, so sweet.
Yeah, that's why I tried calling you. I knew you were just at the bottom.
Yeah, it looks nice. I see. It looks real good from a distance. Actually, when I first seen it, I was like, "Fuck, that's got a nice stance." So. It's one of those 50-meter cars. Get too close to the guards. That's actually not bad, man. Hey, look, the guards need some love.
I think you can cut out.
But you've only you've pointed that out, so like I wouldn't have. Is that not the prime?
Nah, that's the in-tank pump.
Oh.
Well, when I tried putting this back on, it just broke it apart even more. So Billy has gone over to that fella over there in that house to get a knife. So we're just going to cut this and strip the wire.
Strip the rubber off the wire.
That's it. Strip the rubber off the wire. It's hot. I can't speak properly. So yeah, we're going to try and strip the rubber off the wire and just wrap it around, and hopefully that's going to work. So we stripped the end of this off and put it around the strut tower. Tried to flick the key, but still nothing. And we've realized that this end is broken clean off the pump too. So, how good. All right, we got the fuel pump sorted, horied up both, so it's working now. So, how good. I will take back to old mate down there. Thank you. Fuel pump's all sorted. Now Billy's going to get his first taste in the old Laurel. Well, this video definitely hasn't gone to plan, but it's still going to be a good one, I reckon.
So just because it's a warm day, it's like one of the warmest days you've taken it out, or what?
Oh, it's got a fucking shit radiator set up on it.
Oh, is that? Yeah, the radiator's tiny.
It's made to fit under the rad support, so it's made shorter and what's the opposite of wider? Narrower. So it's fucking tiny.
It's not ideal for this sort of setup.
Nah, and it's still got the stock fan on it, so not only without a shroud too, so not only does it not have a shroud, but because the radiator is so much further forward,
yeah,
the fan sits so far away from it, so it's not pulling anything through.
Yeah.
So we're back with part 2 of Billy's reaction. We're now on some more open roads around where the workshop is, so we can actually show them what this thing's like.
Give it a good time, eh? Real good. That's fucking sick. not fast enough.
Did it spin at all? I felt it getting a
It
little,
did. It
a
slowed
little.
a second.
Yeah. I didn't want to look back. It was too fun looking forward. Fuck, it sounds cool, eh?
Honestly, it sounds beautiful.
It's just before 5 it comes in like real strong, eh?
Up in the roll racing.
I think it'll go real good.
Yeah. As long as I can shift.
Yeah. What's the difference being a passenger under that sort of power? Is it more sketchy when you're passenger for you? Yeah. It's a different thing,
It doesn't feel fast to me when I drive it now.
Yeah.
Unless I'm like up on the hills it feels fast, but I'm sort of numb to it now. I was super nervous when I first got it.
I bet you would have been. It's like a little leaf coming out of the car.
I got out of the car shaking.
Yeah. Oh, I would have too. This is way more power than I would like to handle, you know.
Got high boost.
So how was your experience in that?
It's fucking mean. It's good. Loved it. That was choice.
Oh,
Sphero, mate. What are you doing? You have to replace that, bro.
that's gonna wrap this video up here. This video definitely didn't go to plan with the car just overheating, and yeah, we didn't have too much time because we had to go and pick up Anthony's mate because he was finishing his course. So yeah, we had to call it for that day. We are going to be sorting out the cooling system, doing an entire overhaul on it before fours and rotors, because it's just not up to the task with how much power that thing makes. As soon as it gets hot, it starts to push obviously the water into the overflow, but it doesn't drain back in properly. And then yeah, just the fact that the radiator is so small, it's literally probably a stock radiator setup would almost be better in that thing than what it currently has. There's also, as I mentioned earlier in the video, the fan itself is so much further back than the radiator, so it's not really pulling anything through it. And it's also got no shroud, so we're going to be fixing all of those things with a new radiator, shroud, and new electric fans. So yeah, before fours and rotors, we'll be getting that in so we can give it a good beating at the track and not have to worry about any overheating issues. So yeah, we're going to be selling rides at fours and rotors too, $60. So if anyone wants a ride, give me a DM and we can sort it out. Payment secures your spot. We can take probably about 12 people for rides during the crew sessions. We're going to be running it in high boost for those sessions, so you guys will be able to feel the full power of it. So yeah, again, if you want a ride, give me a DM and we'll sort it out. But yeah, that'll be it for this one, guys. Cheers for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.